Well, since my last video did not upload, I actually ate 3 crab rolls, faced them right to the head. But yeah, they deleted. I'm gonna cook for you guys because I'm hungry and I really feel like I need to eat double time because I'm working out so much, but let's do it. I'm gonna do something really clean, really quick. Let's go.